G'day and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the Splashdrone SwellPro 4. Yo! Let's go! Okay, I've just cut the box open. Well, I've used the same knife as the last video. The made in USA, don't tread on me. Okay, let's get this big fella out of there. There she comes. Alright. This thing is massive compared to my DJI Mini 3 Pro. This is huge. Okay, there's clips here. Just show you. Hang on a sec. Here and here. That's it. Let's try and open it. There we go. Wow. Check that out. Alright, I barely fit it in the screen. Let's get this big baby out of here. Actually, before I do that, I'll go and get something. Here's the choc milk carton for size. As you know, I'm Aussie. This is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Right. We'll put it. There you go. For a size comparison, pretty amazing. Like, yeah, I didn't think it would be that big for that. So you're supposed to carry 2 kilograms up to 5 kilometers away. That's the radius from the controller, working radius, 5 kilometers. Look, it's stuck. These out. Wow, look at the propellers. Far out. That's like, oh, that'd be nearly 260 mil. You know, that extra 10, 250, 260. More propellers. Little screwdriver. That'd be good for my fishing rod actually. Fishing rod. Instructions. And thank you to the drone shop in Perth for this drone. They sent it to me. And this model, I'll just turn it over, does come with the bait release and the camera. You can see that. Here's the controller, the back side of it, front, That's huge. Feels nice. I've got one battery at the moment. I'll get another one before I go. I'm going to use this pretty soon actually. Battery charger. Spare landing leg. In there, I'll leave that in there. I'll leave that in there. Aha. Here is inside here, I bought with the camera some filters just for the lens, because you know what it's like to look at the ocean with no sunglasses on. Not very nice. So that's it. I'll show you the next video of me flying it. Alright, thank you. Bye. G'day folks. I just thought I would compare. I just found a ruler, a little rule. Can you see that? That ruler itself is 15 centimeters long. So these blades for the SwellPro 4, the Splashdrone SwellPro 4, must be around 300 mil diameter. Alright, so that's, I'm going to compare that now to the DJI Splashdrone Mini 3, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The blades for that, I'll tell you, so about 7.5 mil from the tip to the end. So it must be imperial, these propeller blades, because of the screw holes, about 7.2 mil. Or yeah, 72 mil I should say. Pretty close. Oh, pretty close to the center of the hole. 7 centimeters, so 70 mil. So that's a massive difference. I mean, just look at that. That's 4 blades, 2 blades. And I also have here my Shimano, my brand new Shimano reel to go with the SwellPro, the 30,000. The Shimano, yeah, Stella 30,000. So I just thought I'd try this, see how deep it is roughly. Okay. About 15 mil deep. $30 mil across, and it can hold 800 meters of 65-pound braid, which is what's going in this, or on this. And I'm going to go snapper fishing. All right, so look out. It's going to be all on. I'm really happy actually. What else could I say? Thank you very much. I'm very grateful. I'm actually out on the roads repairing the flood damage in a grader. I'm working 12 hours a day, working my little butt off. Things are looking up. Really, yeah. Bless you all. Have a really good day in Lakesh, and I'll definitely see you around. I'll see you down the beach, everywhere. Full driving, you name it. Camping. Actually, someone today suggested I go camp with my machine, which I think is a bloody good idea. I never even thought of it myself. Well, yeah, I've been that busy. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye.